Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V, the architect. Today we are looking at how to create a frame with a photos in Revit. Go to architecture, then go to component, model in place. Let's make it a wall. Then press OK. Let's name it frame. Then go to extrusion. After that, let's make set work plane. Then pick a plane, then press OK. Let's choose this face. Then let's make a rectangle. Let's make it like this one. Then let's make an offset for it like 0.05 centimeter. Then press finish, and the thickness, let's make it 0.025. Then press finish, or let's make it together. Go to insert. After we press on finish, go to insert. Then here we have decal. Then place decal. Let's press here. You can change whatever you want, or press edit type, or reset. Insert decal types. Let's make a new one. Name it whatever you want. Frame. Then press OK. After that, go to source, press on this square, then select any image that you want. Let's select this one, then press open. And here is our image. It's a frame. Then press OK, and let's drag it here. Select your image, and you can make it the same as the frame, or lock proportion. Then you can make it like the frame. And here it is.